Hey everyone, my name is Ashley and today we're going to be going over the 4th grade worksheet. So we're going to start off with the add and subtract to 4-digit numbers. So I'm going to do the highlighted problems. So I'll do numbers 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. So number 1 is 4,625 plus 4,514. So we'll go ahead and write that stacked up. Okay, so we lined the numbers up and wrote them like that. So we're going to go ahead and solve this. So you're going to add upwards like this. So you're going to do 4 plus 5, which is 9. 1 plus 2, which is 3. 5 plus 6, which is 11. So you're going to carry the 1. So you're going to do 4 plus 4 plus 1, which is 9. So your final answer is 9,139. Okay, so now we're going to do number 2. Okay, so we're going to write out 5,723 plus 9,571. Okay, so again, you're going to add upwards. So we're going to do 1 plus 3, which is 4, 7 plus 2, which is 9, 5 plus 7, which is 12. So you're going to again carry the 1. So it's going to be 9 plus 5 plus 1, which is 15. And bring the decimal place straight down, or the comma straight down. So your answer is going to be 15,294. Okay, so we'll erase that. Okay, so now we're going to be doing our last problem, which is 4,342 plus 1,298. So go ahead and write that right here. Okay, so add up again. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 1 is 14, carry the 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Add the comma, so your answer is 5,640. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next page. So this one is subtracting across zeros. So I'm going to be going over number 1 and 2. Okay, so again for subtraction problems, we're just going to stack the numbers up on the side. So we'll go ahead and write it right here. First problem is 432. Minus 218. Okay, so we're going to subtract starting from the numbers right here. Now, when we do that, we see that 2 is less than 8. So you need to borrow from the number next to it. So here we're going to do change this to a 2 and add a 1. So we're going to do 12 minus 8, which is 4, and 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then we're going to do 4 minus 2, which is 2. So your answer is 214. Okay, so for the next problem, we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing. So the problem is 342 minus 247. Okay, so again, we're going to start in this first column, but 2 is less than 7, so we have to borrow. So we're going to do 3 and add a 1. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Now 3 is less than 4, so we have to borrow from here now. So add a 1 here, change this to a 2. So 13 minus 4 is 9, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is just an imaginary 0. So your answer is 95. Okay, we're going to move on to the next page. Now we're doing expressions. These problems may seem a little hard, but they're honestly not that bad once you get the hang of it. So just go ahead and follow along. We're going to be doing numbers 1, 2, and 3. So we have to use a concept called PEMDAS. So you have to remember this concept. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D is division, and A is subtraction. So I'll go ahead and write this up here, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so in number 1, we're going to go ahead and solve the parentheses first. So 8 minus 7 is 1, and we're going to do 1 plus 1, which is 2. So your answer is 2. Number 2, we'll do the parentheses first again. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Parentheses again, 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest, and we'll move on to the next page. So this is our last page, additional properties. We'll be doing numbers 1, 2, and 3 again. So here we're just finding the missing number. So you need them to equal the same thing, right? Because there's an equal sign right here. So we're going to go ahead and look at what we have first, what we're given. So we're given the number 12 and the number 12. So what should go in the blank spot? 64, so that they both equal the same thing. Here we're given the numbers 32 equals 32. They're already equal to each other, so you can't add anything else. So we're going to put a 0 right here, because 0 plus 32 equals 32. Last problem, we're given 7 and 7. Then we're given a 4, so what should be added to this side? A number 4. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson. Go ahead and try the rest of the problems. I'm going to put up the answer key now so that you guys can check your answers. Okay, good job, guys.